Alright guys, it's video number 2. Should be short and sweet. We're just going to get her done because I know you guys all want to get back to everything else you got going for Wednesday. So what did we notice about this equation? We noticed that our amplitude is still 1. We noticed that we had a vertical shift of up 1. And I noticed my b value is 1/4. And so if I'm solving for my period, it's going to be pi divided by 1/4. Remember, tangent, cotangent are different. Their normal period is pi, like we saw in the last video. And when I divide pi by 1/4, I get a period of 4 pi. So my asymptotes are going to be every 4 pi. And if there was a shift, I would have to shift over somewhere, right? So let's say this right here is 4 pi, and so we'll make this 8 pi, and halfway is 2 pi. Here we have 6 pi. I try to make this look kind of even. It's always better on graph paper, but it doesn't show up as well on the video. And then I label my y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is a really good start for our graph here. Now, remember, when we were looking at tangent, if it wanted to show its 4 pi period, it would have asymptotes -2 pi to 2 pi. But cotangent always starts at 0. So one of our asymptotes is the y-axis. And then my next set is going to be every 4 pi, because the asymptotes is where we complete one cycle or one period. So I'm going to do that both on the positive and the negative sides. Remember, when graphing tangent, cotangent, any of your reciprocal functions that have asymptotes, you need to show those asymptotes. And then I also know that I was shifted up 1. And so that up 1, that becomes my new 0 line, just like with sine and cosine. So I draw a little dashed line in for that too. And just like tangent, between my two asymptotes in the middle is my 0. So I can put those into all my sections. And then just like tangent, halfway between my 0 and my asymptotes is where I'm going to show my amplitude. So in this first section here, usually tangent would have gone right 1/2 of that area and then up 1. This time we're doing cotangent, so we go reverse. We saw that in the last slide, that's how we were showing the reciprocal of 1 and -1. And then I just copy that pattern in each of my sections. So up 1, down 1. And same thing here, up 1, down 1. And then you try to draw in a nice S-curve. All right, so your graph should look like that. There are 2 graphs for your homework tonight. The first set in my answer key were wrong, and so you're going to look for the correction at the end because the original graphs were kind of in the middle of all the other parts of the answer key. All right, have a great day. Get your homework done. Keep up. All right, you guys are doing great.